want to take a money from that machine. Okay, it's all depend on me, like how much money I want. Okay, so first, have passion for the artistry. It's absolutely mind-blowing artistry. Artistry products are absolutely mind-blowing. Okay, so I keep on, I already spoke about like artistry last time, but anyway, just quickly about like how to contact and invite people for the SAM session. How does it help to grow profitability in my business and share my experience? Okay, first of all, whatever we do in this business, there is a why attached, right? If you don't find your why, nothing is going to happen. Okay, first find out your why you are building this business. Okay, whether you are a new person or old or in middle, no matter, find out your why first. So because in normal plan also we share that 98% belongs to like why, and only 2% how to, because how will taken care by association, books and CDs. Of course our mind, thought process also. So find out your why first, and write down your goals on weekly or monthly basis, and speak it every day, and it definitely works, believe me, because I have gone through that situation already. So have a monthly goal and weekly basis goal. Sit with your applying first, and talk about like how much money you want to make in this month. Okay, it could be like 100 or 200 or 50. Have a dollar goal and PV goal. Okay, not like 2 SAM or 1 SAM, whatever. Okay, so and what I want to cover here. Why will definitely take a big place in the business, and how definitely I share like association, books, CDs, mentor, apply, and of course experience and practice. Okay, practice makes perfect, right? And perfect practice make it's permanent. So don't look for a perfect one, but because nobody is perfect in this world, right? Nobody is perfect. Even we are not perfect here. So perfect doesn't matter here. So do little things on every day. Okay, it will definitely make a lot of sense in life. And if it comes to contacting, first I will just share like how to do contact. Okay, I love contacting. Anybody loves it?
Yeah.
I enjoy the process. It's really fun actually. Initially, it was really awkward for me, but once I crossed that awkward position, it was fantastic. I enjoyed each and every moment of contacting. It's fun actually. Talk to people, know about them, share. Just hear from them. It's really nice. Once you will understand more. Okay, so shall I want to make a little bit more interact. So if anybody can come here, so I can do some more contacting just for 1 or 2 minutes. Very strong lady. Okay, just imagine I'm just going to make here like very simple. I will try to be more natural, so you feel that it's really contacting. Okay,
a shopping center, right?
of course, shopping center. And one more thing I want to add here. Whenever you go out especially for the contacting, I want to give some notes here, just do's or don'ts, but I want to cover only do's here. Have a smile on the face always. It gives you a lot of confidence. It builds you like anything. Okay, it will destroy the fear, and it will increase your confidence level. Okay, have always smile on face, and maintain right posture. Okay, we are not doing charity here like Krishna said. We are doing a multi-million business here. Now feel like you are a business owner. It gives you a boost. And dress sharp. That is the key to this business. I can say key to this business. Dress like I'm not saying like professional dress. At least some good. You can by seeing yourself in the mirror, you can figure it out how you should dress. Okay, and you're going to contacting. You are in the mall. Okay, and if you're seeing somebody like Sibeta, she just assume like she's in cosmetic session because I'm contacting for Sam for the skin checkup, right? Use little bit where you're contacting, on in which situation. Okay, so I'll try to be more as natural I'll be. I'm a bit nervous because it's not the natural work. But I'm not an actor actually. Well, she's picking something from there, so I'll just try to
Hand cream. So it could be more natural, right?
So she's picking something. I'll be just doing here and there, just seeing something. I'll just she's not seeing me. Okay, she's not watching me. I'll just hey, it will be like it's very cheap. I'll say something. It's all depend on the whole situation. Have you used this product before?
No, I'm just trying the test.
Okay, so what product do you use for your skin?
Olay or Garnier or whatever I buy in the supermarket.
Okay, that's good. Really. Oh, what's your good name?
Sibetra. What about you?
I'm Asad from Bika. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Where
meet
are
you.
you from?
I'm from Sri Lanka. What about you?
I'm from India.
Okay. You working?
Yeah, I'm working.
Where are you working?
I'm working in government. Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice place. Perth Mint Gold.
Yeah, actually, I saw you, just holding this hand cream, just suppose like it's a face cream, something like that.
Yeah.
So, how do you take care of your skin? What product do you use for your skin?
I just, whatever is in the bathroom I use. That's what a lot of my parents say, right? But if it's my go to my son, kids' bathroom, there's Johnson & Johnson I use and then come to our aloe vera, yes.
Yeah. So, if you don't mind, can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Oh, well, so, I saw you holding this one, so, by the way, apart from my full-time job, I'm doing my part-time business as well.
Oh,
Well, I'm a
okay.
skincare
What kind of
consultant. I'm a skincare
Oh,
consultant.
really?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah. So, actually,
So what do you do? Can you make anything, different to my face?
yeah, of course, I'm
Yeah, because I'm really fed up, with all the products. When I was
Yeah, I
back
can
in
tell
Sri
you.
Lanka, I used to use Fair and Lovely. I was very fair. Since I came here, very sunny in the summer. And yeah, so did you say you're a skin consultant?
Yeah.
So what do you actually do?
well, no, it's very hard to tell here because I'm already in rush.
But you have certificate, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm certified.
wanted to make sure.
I'm a certified skincare consultant.
Oh, okay.
So, anyway, I'll just drop my card to you. We'll exchange the number.
Yeah,
So,
sure.
definitely I'll talk about you more over the
Yeah.
phone, okay?
Yeah.
By doing like this, just exchange the number and if you're not comfortable, approach a third party. Third party approach. Talk like your upline will help you in that. Just talk to your upline. So it's all depending on again situation. If she is not in the cosmetic session, suppose she's taking some tomatoes. Ask like tomatoes are really cheap now today. Like whatever. If it is expensive, very expensive. Again, common sense. Use like mind. God has given we are ladies. We are
Very simple, we can start the communication in the kids or whatever. Just wanted to share my quick experience today. I was at uni today, waiting in the queue to enroll. So there's a lady in front of me, an Indian lady. A long time, like about 10-15 minutes, I don't have experience like Ambika, right? Fun conducting. So I was just waiting, she didn't smile and then I initiated conversation like, are you from India? What course I do? That's all I asked. And then she started talking, she was talking and she actually asked for the number, because we are here, I'm new to the country and she asked my number. So, contacting becomes easy.
Well, this is the contacting. Nothing is, difficult here. Initially, you'll feel a little bit awkward and fear, but just feel the fear and do it anyway. Anyway, she will say no, don't worry. Rejection will make, champions. That's what I heard from, leaders and CDs, books. Amazing business guys, this is amazing, I just forgot to mention here, write down the goals and, stick on the refrigerator. Because when you see, your goals, it will create some immense energy in you and your fruits will, automatically manifestation. I heard in one of CDs, like from Ganesh and my CD, God will always, always don't, sorry. God will always don't, whatever, I'm forgetting that. It's a very powerful statement. God always don't give what you want. God always give you what you expect. So expect good things. Definitely miracle will happen. Okay, and and how does it help to grow your for profitability in business? 1 minute. Yeah, just finishing 1 minute. And this time very it will go quickly actually. Profitably, why this business? Because of money, right? Nobody is here to do charity. I'm not here to do charity because I'm here to make a money, to get a financial freedom. Okay. So my biggest motivation to to build this business, to have financial freedom. I don't want to see the price tag and think twice to buy anything before. I hate that one. I hate it. Okay. And just to keep your mindset on on stable way, read the books. My recommendation: read the books. Books will keep you on track. That's what I can say. Figure it out how you can read the books. I know moms busy. End of the day you will get tired and sick and tired sometimes. You will go to bed early, but find out the time at least for half an hour a day.